Hello there, and welcome to a new informative video from Wonderful Dr. Phone. This is your host Francisco, and today in this video I'm going to help you understand how you can quickly transfer data from an old iPhone to a new iPhone 15. Now, many users nowadays are inspired by the new iPhone 15 unique look and features. So due to this, they are going to now be searching for the proper methods to transfer their data from the old device to the new one. That is why in this video we have covered this topic in depth to assist you in transferring data from the old iPhone to the new iPhone 15 without any kind of data loss. So before we move forward to the steps, do make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on new videos coming up just like this. And with that said, let's go ahead and dive right into it. How to transfer old iPhone iCloud backup on iPhone 15. Now, the first method to transfer old iPhone data to the new iPhone 15 is with the help of iCloud. And this method of backup of the old iPhone is created on iCloud, which is then quickly restored onto the new device. Therefore, to explore who you can use this method with, let's take a look at the detailed steps. So let's go ahead and start the process by heading towards the settings of your old iPhone. Then tap Apple ID and select the iCloud option. Afterward, choose iCloud Backup and then tap Backup Now to create a new backup of the old iOS device. So moving ahead, power on your iPhone 15 and then follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Now follow the instructions until you do reach the apps and data prompt on the screen so that you can choose to restore from iCloud Backup to proceed. Next, sign in using your Apple ID credentials to access the list of available iCloud backups on the screen. From there, select the most recent backup that you have just created from your old iPhone to restore it to the new iPhone 15. Now following this, do remember to complete this process. Your new iPhone must be connected with a stable and fast speed internet/Wi-Fi connection. So that's going to be super important moving forward with this step. So how to transfer old iPhone data directly to iPhone 15. Using iCloud to transfer data from one iOS device to another is a seamless method. However, sometimes users also prefer to transfer data directly. This direct approach is helpful if you have limited internet or need to complete the process quickly. So let's check out Apple's Quick Start method and understand how it helps you transfer data directly between iOS devices. So now, to begin with this data transfer method, ensure that your old iPhone has the latest iOS version to be compatible with the new iPhone. Following this, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your current iPhone and then Wi-Fi on your new iPhone as well by following the on-screen instructions. Afterward, place them close to each other so that the connection and detection can be performed without any kind of issue. Afterward, a pop-up will then appear on your old iPhone asking if you want to use your Apple ID to set up your new device. From this pop-up, tap on Continue and then let the old iPhone capture the dynamic animation of the iPhone 15 with the help of its camera. Now, this animation just mainly contains security information that helps to establish the connection between two devices. Then enter the old iPhone passcode on the new one and then log in with your new Apple ID. Select Transfer from another iPhone. Complete the on-screen instructions and then just wait until the transfer process is completed successfully. How to transfer old iPhone iTunes/Finder backup on iPhone 15. Moving ahead with the next method of transferring old iPhone data to iPhone 15, iTunes/Finder can also transfer data from the old iPhone to the new iPhone 15 without any kind of errors. Now, this method is recommended when a huge or large backup is restored or stored on your PC or MacBook. Thus, to restore a large iTunes/Finder backup from one iOS device to another, follow these iTunes/Finder steps coming right up. Initiate the process by installing and launching the latest version of iOS/Finder on your computer, and then connecting your old iPhone with it. Next, create the backup of your old device by accessing the Summary/General tab in the main screen of iTunes and then tapping on the Backup Now option. So now, after a successful backup, disconnect the old iPhone and then set up your new iPhone. Once you reach Apps and Data on the screen, then choose the Restore from Mac or PC option in it. In addition, do make sure that your new iPhone is connected to the PC or MacBook and that iTunes/Finder is launched on it. Now, following this, from the Welcome to your new iPhone screen, what you're going to want to do is that you have to go ahead and enable enable the restore from this backup option. Choose your old iPhone backup and then press continue to restore the backup iTunes/Finder data on your iPhone 15. Now here's going to be a bonus tip, and this is having trouble transferring to iOS 15 and it's getting stuck. Well, for many iPhone users, sometimes data transfer becomes frustrating due to issues such as the iPhone data transfer screen being stuck. These kinds of problems mainly arise due to a number of reasons. This includes complex data migration, software glitches, insufficient storage, and incompatible of both devices' iOS versions. Now, to make smooth data transfer between old and new iPhone 15, it is recommended to fix these issues with a reliable solution. To do this, you can update both devices to the latest version of iOS and then check whether they have enough storage space for transferring data. Moreover, you can also get assistance from Apple support or authorized service providers in case this issue is not resolved. However, before you jump towards Apple support, we suggest that you check out the Wondershare Dr. Phone phone transfer tool. Using this tool, you can quickly move data between devices, including iOS and Android. The data that can be moved includes contacts, SMS, videos, and other data formats for more than 8,000 plus devices, including Apple, Samsung, Google, and many more, are supported by this tool, which makes it more compatible. Thus, due to its high-speed data transfer and easy-to-use interface, many people do prefer to use it for transferring data effectively. So to help you understand how this tool works, let's go ahead and dive into its step-by-step instructions. Now, go ahead and launch Wondershare Dr. Phone on your computer and connect your old iPhone and iPhone 15 using a Lightning and USB-C cable data. From the main interface of the tool, select Toolbox on the left side panel and then choose Phone Transfer option. Next, define the source and destination devices in the new appearing window. In the case that device's location is not defined correctly, just change it with the help of the flip button that is available on the top of the screen. Now choose the data types that you want to transfer and then hit the Start Transfer to move ahead. Now following this, when a prompt appears on the screen asking to turn off the Find My feature of iOS devices, then just head towards the settings of the iPhone. There, just go ahead and tap on Apple ID and then tap on the Find My option. Afterward, tap Find My iPhone and then toggle it to turn it off to initiate the data transfer process. Once your data transfer is completed, a prompt will appear on the screen. From there, click on OK to conclude the process, and then you should be pretty much good to go from there. And with this, today's video has come to an end. We hope that the methods mentioned in this video have helped you transfer data from the old iPhone to the new iPhone 15 without any errors. However, if you encounter any issues, mention it in the comment section of course, and then we will do our best to get back to you. Now with that said, this has been Francisco from Wondershare Dr. Phone, and now following this, to make the transfer process more hassle-free with one click, make sure to check out the Wondershare Dr. Phone phone transfer feature. Finally, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, as there's going to be plenty more to come. Now, until next time, have a good one.